everyone and welcome to this module on the mechanical motor vehicle. In today's video, we will learn to locate air leaks in the airlines and learn general maintenance of the brake system. By the end of this video, you will be able to locate air leaks in the airlines and provide general maintenance and care for the brake system. Let us collect the tools and material required for this. Trainees Toolkit 1, Socket Spanner Set 1, Torque Wrench 1, Outside Micrometer 1, Cylinder Bore Gauge 1, Kerosene as required, Soap oil as required, Lubricant oil as required, Cleaning oil as required, emery paper as required, grease as required and soap water as required. Locating the air leak in the air brake lines. Inspect the engine unloader valve on starting. Check air pressure gauge and lines. Switch off the engine and safely park the vehicle. Inspect the air pressure gauge leak by pressing the brake pedal. Check the brake air line using soap water. Check the brake valve and brake chamber line with the help of soap water. Check the brake light switch point. Apply soap water on the brake booster line. General maintenance and care of the brake system. Ensure that the brake shoe and brake drum are free from oil or grease. Ensure that there is no oil air leak in the brake system. Make sure that the clearance between the brake shoe and drum is within the permitted level. Maintain the axle and hub retainers in good position. Ensure that the brake shoe and drum are free from dust. Ensure that the brake shoe return and lock springs are in good condition. Make sure the clearance between the drum and brake shoe is the same in all the wheels. Check if the brake pedal play is within the recommended level. Make sure that the breaker valves are functioning properly. Ensure that the lubrication of linkages is done properly. In this lesson, we have learned to locate air leaks in the airlines and provide general maintenance and care for the brake system. Hope you have a clear understanding of this session. Thank you all and see you in the next video.